Which of the following was the third Indian state to be declared fully literate under the Ullas scheme? Correct option is C. Tripura. Which country did India defeat in the final of the 2025 Under-19 Women's T20 World Cup? Correct option is A. South Africa. In which year was the 91st Amendment of the Indian Constitution made, which primarily limited the size of the Council of Ministers? Correct option is C. 2003. Who among the following honoured with the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2025 on 17 January? Correct option is E. All of the above: Manu Bhakar, D. Gukesh, Harmanpreet Singh and Praveen Kumar. On 30th June, in which district of Telangana did a chemical factory incident occur? Correct option is B. Sangareddy district. Who is the author of the book Test Cricket, A History? Correct option is C. Tim Wigmore. Where has the India-USA Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas 2025 held recently? Correct option is A. Alaska. According to Article 75 of the Constitution of India, who administers the oath of office and secrecy to the Prime Minister and other Union Ministers? Correct option is B. The President of India. When excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus are added to water containing algae, which process mainly occurs? Correct option is C. Eutrophication. When naphthalene burns in the air, what color is the flame it produces? Correct option is C. Bright yellow. Which city of Maharashtra has emerged as a model for sanitary and biomedical waste management? Correct option is D. Karad. In which sport were the maximum Arjuna Awards 2024 given? Correct option is A. Para-athletics. The statement that maternity leave is available for a third child was made by which court? Correct option is D. The Supreme Court of India. In India, weather forecasts are mainly prepared by which organization? Correct option is C. India Meteorological Department. What is the time period of a wave having a frequency of 50 Hz? Correct option is C. 0.02 second. Which award is given to young writers in India for their literary work in the 22 scheduled languages as well as English and Rajasthani? Correct option is B. Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar. Which tissue in plants is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? Correct option is D. Parenchyma. When zinc metal is added to a copper sulfate solution, what happens to the color of the solution? Correct option is B. It turns. Studies using NASA satellite data have shown that emissions of which pollutant are significantly affecting Himalayan snow? Correct option is A. Black carbon. Which of the following does not contain oxygen? Correct option is D. Alkane. Which award did Vantika Agrawal and D. Gukesh receive at the National Sports Awards 2024? Correct option is B. Arjuna Award. Which of the following is not a non-contact force? Correct option is B. Muscular force. Which phenomenon makes the sun appear visible about 2 minutes before actual sunrise? Correct option is C. Atmospheric refraction. Who recently won the men's singles title at the US Open 2025? Correct option is C. Carlos Alcaraz. Which disease is caused by a deficiency of vitamin B3 and is also known as Forde syndrome? Correct option is D. Pellagra. Who was one of the prominent leaders of the coal uprising of 1831-32? Correct option is A. Buddhu Bhagat. What comes in the middle of the reactivity series? Correct option is C. Iron. What happens when naphthalene is exposed to air? Correct option is B. Sublimation occurs. Which organ is the primary site affected by asthma? Correct option is C. Lungs. What is the formula of Ohm's law? Correct option is A. V equal to IR. The dimensional formula M1L2T-3 represents which of the following physical quantities? Correct option is B. Power. Which is the tributary of Yamuna river? Correct option is C. Chambal. Which part was added to the Constitution related to the 74th Constitutional Amendment? Correct option is C. Part 9. What was the theme for the 2025 International Day of Yoga? Correct option is B. Yoga for One Earth, One Health.